Welcome back, Knotty here. It's another fine day here in western Florida, and kind of put a makeshift drill press table together to support these table legs. I'm going to try to drill out some dowels on that, dowel holes, and maybe later in the video I'll pull out that dowel maker that I was telling you about and give you a good look at it. But these things are so dang heavy that couldn't balance on that little platform, so I guess I'm going to have to make a drill press table that's not kind of jury rigged together like this one. Anyhow, we'll go ahead and knock one of these out and see how it goes, and then we'll get back to you on the making of the dowels. So might get a little noisy here. We'll see how it goes. I'm all set and ready to go. So 1/2 inch dowel. This is through 4 inches of solid ash. It's not going to make it all the way through because that's come from the other side to finish it off. My bit's not long enough, but take a look. She likes to smoke a little bit. I'm going to slow her down. Clean out that hole. Like that, that's how she done. Break her loose and throw her down and get the next one on the bottom there and see how she goes. I'm recording right now, so the wife will back out of the room. Looks like that's pretty close to being lined up, and Knotty's world pretty close is good enough. That's usually better than most people will consider good. Clamping this down just to make sure she doesn't want to get away from me a little bit. Recheck it here, looks good. On my stop, looking good. And we'll try again. Should have gone all the way through. I actually had the other side cut, I just didn't have that on camera, or drilled I should say. Take a quick look here and see what we got. And I can see light through the other side. That's always a good sign, at least on one of them. The other one's kind of plugged, but doesn't mean that it doesn't have an exit hole all the way through. Put a little air. And like that. Looking sweet. So, I don't know if you can see that or not, but we're all the way through. So, got the other one already done. Got a couple more to cut on the top tenons. And then I'll be able to drive glue and drive some dowels in those. And I take my mortising chisel and square up the holes on the top, and then go ahead and put a decorative mahogany plug in that to kind of set it off. But anyhow, I'll tune back in a little bit later, and we'll see if we can do some dowels and bang some of those out for y'all. Knotty out.